replace this gun. I got more pumpkin, sweet potato, string. Let me show you. This is board beans. You gotta cook board beans. This way was going to plant them with you. This grow long bean. Then them is I try plant it because everybody have put these leaves because it's not too hot. Think that butternut squash. That one over there is pumpkin. That butternut squash. That is squash, I think again. No, wrong. That is the honeydew. But the sun shrink them. Some coming, the sun shrink some. But butternut squash again. Pumpkin, I think. See? These are something to do with them. I don't know these ain't leave them. But them ain't running really. Them pot chow. Peppers. I'm gonna plant these here. And then pot chow here. I'm gonna plant them here. Right here, look, boom. These could go to the fall. Right there. Go to eat these. Right here, look. And then go right here. Hey, give you a chance because you're pushing up these pretty leaves. She will get a chance. But if I see that happening, but no. This colors, no? Sometimes forget what he's been doing. Hearthstone water. This is a snap peas. You can look at snap peas. I will be first if it come to grow these. I would love to grow this. Then I got some sweet margarine. She don't need no water. This fish full. Let me see if I can take this out. Like this growing. This growing. I forgot to put Ooh la la. This is a chocho. Other known as a chayoto. Yes, when this sprout come out and cut, but I should have done that and cut this back cause I don't gotta wait till that thing. So you cut that back. Right now I'm trying to get this for his hand. The areas. I guess guavas. I guess sweet potato. Then see she eat the guavas. Look, this pan got clean, but you know I clean it. Not my folds aren't clean it. Do I swear, boy? Damn, my sister. Monkey looking dog. Zeus, the oldest of the group and the youngest. This is the biggest baby. Look at you. You got Zeus and Hercules. What is your problem, boy? Paw. Good boy. Next paw. Good boy. Down. Turn. Roll over. Good boy. You don't play though. Alright, you get your food, so. Sit. Sit. Oh, Lord. I think he want to move. I play down here, cut down here, cool down. He ain't got that much shit, so. My destroy all my. Before these was growing, he destroyed all my cane. New drought season, so I was looking for this, but Hercules destroyed the king. He destroyed the king. I didn't know. Wow, he back me dog. These compost probably going good. P3s I got cut this zone. Every last one. Cassava. Cassava. Then I got more cassava down there. But this bed here, I can plant sweet potatoes. I plant sweet potatoes there. Sweet potato can come here. This is the next one. I think he's saying here Zeus. He's flippy. But then we got this bully here, look. Yo, look at all that. See, he don't play. Come. I'm laughing at the sea. Alright, me alright, let's go.